3 volunteer fire departments responded to a fire at a Tappen Sawmill on Friday.
It was a challenge. The wind was an issue for us, for sure. But, we got there at a good time, and before the gusts really were bad. So if it would have started an hour later, it would have been a definite challenge. The fine, burning sawdust flying all over the place, and got some other piles going, but kept it out of the woods. And we had approximately, I just kind of went through it, but approximately 28 total firefighters from 3 different fire halls. Fire Hall and White Lake Fire Department.
Gray said the cause of the fire is currently under investigation. For Castanet News, I'm Darren Hatchew in Vernon.